Ananzaki last updated 1703, December 3, 2017. The Marlborough Wine and Food Festival at Branghout Estate attracts thousands of people to the region every year. Napa Valley, Bordeaux, Marlborough. Marlborough is already known to produce fine wine, but the region is primed to be one of the world's premier wine holiday destinations. New Zealand Wine Growers, the country's organization for the grape and wine sector, wants to sell Marlborough as the place for an ultimate wine holiday, similar to the already established regions in the world such as the United States and France. Marlborough has the potential to be a world-famous wine holiday destination. NZ Wine Growers Wine Tourism Executive Jamie Bizier believed the region was already in a great position to attract more wine tourists. Read more. Former tourism boss joins Wine Marlborough board. Tourists bring $1 million a day into Marlborough. New one-stop shop for tourism data to help Marlborough businesses. The infrastructure is there, the accommodation is there, people are interested. Figures from Tourism New Zealand show wine tourists spend more and stay longer. Marlborough already had more than 30 cellar doors, with additional restaurants and accommodation for wine tourists. And it was just a matter of raising the level even more, she said. I think that it's a really cool community where everyone knows each other, and I think that there's a good opportunity for businesses to be helping businesses and just kind of raise the whole ship. Approximately 80% of our wine exports come from Marlborough, so it's well known around the world. A lot of our exports go to the US and Canada and the UK, which are huge markets for tourism, so the people who are coming know about in Marlborough wine tourism. New Zealand figures show 24% of visitors to the country visited a winery, and NZ Wine Growers estimated about 300 wineries in the country had a visitor offering. Wine tourists also brought more money to the country compared to other tourists, Tourism New Zealand found. What we're seeing currently is that the wine tourist is a higher value tourist, so through the data we've looked at with Tourism New Zealand, we've determined that they spend more, stay longer and visit more regions than the average tourist. So we know that we're dealing with a more premium customer, Bizier said. Development was needed in selling the unique products as one, in order to market it better, she said. I think a lot of that growth potential lies in developing wine tourism products that the travel trade can be selling. I think a lot of the wineries currently do tastings and have really unique offerings, but we think there's a lot of potential to be packaging that into a product, and that way we can be participating in the travel trade. NZ Wine Growers had already had discussions with tourism and trade experts in order to try and make it a reality. Tourism New Zealand has been great help, and we've had discussions with their trade team on how we can be working together. We're looking to partner with others in the industry who have a bit of experience and could potentially help our wineries develop products, Bizier said. The organization was already looking at top wine spots around the world to improve visitor experience. Another region that's doing a good job is the Napa Valley in Southern California, because wine tourism is huge to their economy there, so when we look at wine tourism regions across the world, we're able to see some standouts that are doing a great job. I think we can definitely look to other wine regions that are really doing a good job in attracting visitors and working together as communities.